If you love a strip lash but want something a little softer to complement your complexion, you need to try our new Ombre strip lashes. I'm going to show you how to apply the darkest lash in the collection, medium to dark chocolate. With a blend of 2 brown shades and a cat eye effect with longer outer lash fibres, this lash helps you to create a softer look while still providing a glam finish. Now it's time to apply. Align the band with the natural lash line, trim any excess if needed. Make sure when applying glue to the lash band to wait 40 to 50 seconds until the adhesive is tacking. Place the lash in the centre of your natural lashes, then using tweezers, push the inner corner of the strip lash in place, followed by the outer corner. Press the lash against your natural lashes. And that is how you can create a stunning cat eye look with our medium to dark chocolate ombre strip lashes. Shop now at tattilashes.com.